baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some fall farmhouse decor ideas. Now here are the items we'll be using for DIY number 1. Everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to go and see where I got everything from. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by decorating this mason jar that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now we're just going to add our bouquet of fall flowers. And now we're going to use this tall vase that we got from the Dollar Tree and just add some pine cones and stuff in there. And here we are with a quick and easy fall decor. The flowers in the mason jar, and then right next to it we have our vase with our pine cones and stuff. You know, nice little fall decor. And like I said, it's quick and easy, nice and simple. And now for DIY number 2. And like I said before, everything will be listed down below in the description box for you. Okay, we have this round tray from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to put these fall leaves. These are so blingy and nice. They're all from the Dollar Tree. We're just going to decorate our tray. And now we're just going to add our pumpkins and our pine cones to our tray. And here we go, you guys, our fall decor tray. Yes, it's like I said, cute, simple, fun, and easy for the fall. And now these are the items for our DIY number 3. Alright, we're going to start by decorating our pumpkin with these silver beads that I got from the Dollar Tree. And now I have this tray that I have from a previous DIY. I'll be using this tray to place our pumpkin in. And we have these cute pumpkins. Aren't these cute, you guys? I got them from the Dollar Tree. I think they look so super cute. We don't need to do nothing with them. They're perfect. We'll put one at each side. And then we're adding these pine cones. And isn't that a lovely decor? And I'm also going to show you how to do it with the flowers. So we're going to take out back the pine cones, and then we're going to add some flowers from the Dollar Tree also. This is another decor idea. And then you can also add the pines on top of the flowers. That's another decor idea. All 3 I think look lovely. And once again, here's our cute tray with the flowers or with the pine cones. They both look lovely. And here is our fall farmhouse decor. I think they look very nice. They're quick and easy and fun to do. And they make a lovely piece all together. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me which DIY you liked best. Number 1, number 2, or number 3, or even all of them. And how do you like my fall farmhouse decor setup for this fall season? Fall is coming, you guys. It's right around the corner. And everyone's starting to do their DIYs for the fall. So I said I would just add mine into it also. And I think it turned out very nice. Like I said, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Press that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you can be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.